Hello, this is your channel SNT810. My name is Emmanuel and now I'm going to show you how to test and measure this electric resistance using this digital multimeter. In this case, here in my finger, I have a electric resistance. These lines of colors is one way to know how many ohms has this electric resistance using a table for this. But in this case, we are going to use a digital multimeter because it's more easy to know the value of this electric resistance. To test this electric resistance, we only need to touch this side and this side using the digital multimeter. Before starting the test, we need to set up this digital multimeter. This is very easy. Now, we are watching very close the different modes that have this digital multimeter. In this case, we need to search where is the mode to test electric resistance. Is in this mode. Inside this mode, we have 4 other modes, like we are watching now. The first step is move this selector in this way. Now it's important to watch this digital multimeter part. In this case, this is the diode symbol and the other symbol will appear here from these modes. How I can change between them? Pressing this key, pressing again, this is the capacitor mode, and pressing again, this is the electric resistance mode, mega ohms. But the size of the number change automatically. That's the reason that we are watching mega ohms in this case, but it's automatic, the size of the numbers that this digital multimeter measures with the tip. Take the electric resistance and touch this tip in this side of the electric resistance and touch the other tip in the other side of this electric resistance and watch on the multimeter screen the number. Ready. Now we are watching on the multimeter screen 0.986 kilo ohms. This is the value of this electric resistance. Is almost 1 kilo ohms. It's very near of 1000 ohms. In the other unit is 1 kilo ohms because we know that 1 kilo ohms is the same as 1000 ohms. This is very important. And now we are watching the value of this electric resistance. And this means this electric resistance is good, is working correctly. And the value is 1 kilo ohms or 1000 ohms in this case. This is very easy using this digital multimeter. You can use this digital multimeter with other electric resistance using this way. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is your channel SNT810 in English. Share this video. Give me a like, subscribe, in our channel Susana Sawam for more videos like this for you. And thank you for watching. See you next time.